Hello everyone, this is the ThinkBook Flip AI PC concept. Yeah, it looks like a stand laptop, right? Yeah, you can here. This is a smart force pad. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is a number mode, and this is a customized mode, and user can set some frequency, assist the website at here. And this is a media control mode. If I close it, it uses also as a common force pad. And now is the magic time. There is not only the stand laptop, we also have a display at the A cover. Yeah. And it also can change to a bigger screen. The 13-inch change to the 18-inch display. And we have a file mode. You can follow me. Yeah. Yeah, this is a reading mode. Yeah. And we also can change to the tablet mode. Yeah. And we also have another mode. If you have some discussion with the customer, maybe you can use the sharing mode. And we also have a touch button here and to show the same information, yeah, with inside display. Yeah, that's the Flip AI PC concept.